So let me first talk about freedom. Just over a week ago, President Obama informed the American people about the successful operation against Osama bin Laden. The evil vision of bin Laden was diametrically opposed to the values of the United States and its NATO allies. An evil vision whose bankruptcy is becoming increasingly clear. 2 days ago, I had the great honor to take part in the commemoration of Victory in Europe Day at the National World War II Memorial in Washington. It was a moving ceremony which brought home that we have encountered evil visions before. Not that long ago, evil visions which ultimately did not withstand the flame of freedom. In the Second World War, the flame of freedom prevailed over fascism and tyranny. And soon after the conflict, we were successful in turning former adversaries into responsible democracies with the help of organizations like the United Nations, the European Union, and NATO. NATO was successful again in standing up to communist dictatorship. The alliance first prevented the Cold War from getting hot. It then extended the hand of partnership and cooperation to its former Cold War rivals. And many of those countries are now not only thriving democracies, but also members of NATO, making their contribution to our common security. In the past few months, we have also seen people across North Africa and the Middle East defeat fear and embrace freedom. It has been a powerful reminder that the fundamental desire to be free resides in all of us. Freedom is not just a Western value. It is a universal value. It's not a commodity for the few, but one that is valuable only if it is shared by the many. And there is no choice between security and freedom. The only possibility is to embrace both. And this brings me to my second point, NATO's role in safeguarding our freedom. In our NATO alliance, nearly 1 billion people share not only the same values of freedom, democracy, and humanity, they also share the capabilities to safeguard those values. And that is important because values without real commitment can quickly become hot air. And capability without shared values will lack vision and purpose.